MUKARIRI gĩtĩ warwangirwo kwandĩka arimũ nĩ TSC Dr. Jamlik Muturi na atarirĩte mibango ya kwandĩka arimũ ndene ya masukuru daraja tenganĩtie arimũ. Muturi augĩte tayari nĩ bandĩkĩte arimũ nkabo kinya kethira bati kung'ana nako kũrĩ na mubango jwa kubongera na arikithĩtie na kuga kũrĩ na ubatu bwa kuongera arimũ mono kiri skuru cha junior secondary. Paul Kabithi na Tatoija.
Ili huko akiweka wanafunzi 20 wa Tharaka ama huko kwa walimu, kwani atakuwa amekosea? Atakuwa amekosea?
Ojo Vice Chancellor wa Tharaka University Professor Peter Kîthomo akĩaria muthenya gwa mthikire mambura makuinga kiumia gĩote cukuruni ino. Kiatho kĩrĩa gĩkwimba imbere twintongoria KATHUMBA arĩa MUKARIRI gĩtĩ wa nkema ya TSC Dr. Jamlik Muturi.
One of the things that which has come out very clear is that as educationists, as institutes of higher learning, there is need to give education that is actually within the framework of the existing needs of society and addressing not only the current needs but the future needs of the society, as well as aligning education curriculum and education systems in a manner that it addresses also the future and in line with the trends, with the global trends.
Ora akiaria theretikirika gitagatari kara ya gukurukira thirikari nene bagatigira bakwandika arimũ baingi nkurukini kingo bomba kurikithia mathomo ma junior secondary kiri mutaratara ojo wa CBC.
And we are going to continue. We have already also deployed teachers who are in primary who have the minimum qualification to JSS, and I believe the national government is going to give us more money. We recruit more teachers, but we are happy so far. The learning has taken place in all our JSS classes across the country. And we also want to appreciate the support we are getting from all stakeholders, from the teachers, from the parents, so that we make this this program a success. Because
na kiri mutaratara yo wimbia wa CBC Muturi na tareretie.
JSS is going to be the foundation for the senior secondary. And CBC Daventry is going to produce graduates who are going to be very independent and who are going to be job creators, not job seekers.
Ikiumia kirari toba sukuru ino bombete konania ote abao na nkuruki baingi bakinu kia biegwa nkudho.
We under Great Day, we under Career, Innovation and Entrepreneurship Week, disruptive thinking. That is where you see something ordinary and you want to turn it extraordinary. So
Machukurune ya Tharaka University nkiripotera Waru TV Peter wa Paul ugwa Kabethe.